We're at the Asia-Pacific Ultra Broadband Summit, the inaugural version of the event organized by Huawei, and talking today with Daniel Tang, who is the CTO of the fixed business network line with Huawei. Welcome, Daniel. So organizing this summit, it's the first event. What were the key messages that you really wanted to deliver to this audience?
Well, the most important message is so-called Gigaband. Gigaband means deliver 100 Mbps all the way up to 1000 Mbps to the customers. We know that in the past we used to have modem dial-up, which is really so-called narrow band, and then DSL enabled the so-called broadband. Gigaband is going to change the way we doing our everyday life and everyday work. It can support things like ultra high definition video, 4K or 8K kind of a video program. We can also deliver smart home kind of applications. So it'll be a very exciting era to come.
Moving to 100 megabits and plus up to gigabit speeds, this is an incredible amount of bandwidth in the access network. What are the underlying enabling technologies that you need to deliver this type of speed?
Well, obviously, fiber to the home can deliver gigaband without any problem. We already have seen gigaband kind of service being delivered in countries like Japan, Korea, and China. Recently, DSL technology has quite some breakthrough. Vectoring and G.fast can deliver up to 1000 megabps over existing copper wire. Of course, the performance would vary depending on the quality of the copper plant, but generally speaking, it is now viable to deliver gigaband over DSL as well. Now, on the coaxial cable infrastructure, GigaCoax kind of initiative is already happening with the coming DOCSIS 3.1 technology being able to deliver gigabit performance over coaxial cable infrastructure.
The conference, we heard from the ITU and some others as well. You know, a lot of these emerging countries are just struggling to get kind of ubiquitous broadband of any kind out to the populations. You know, looking at these emerging markets, and we're talking about gigabit broadband, is it too early to be talking about gigabit for a lot of these emerging countries?
I would like to say that maybe we should have a gigaband compatible infrastructure to be able to deal with the demand today, but also compatible with the coming surge of bigger and bigger internet traffic. We already have seen this kind of practice in China, in Malaysia, where there are a lot of constructions anyhow. So the government took the liberty to release construction code to have a mandate that all the new apartment buildings should have FTTH pre-wired. Obviously, this can help to do leapfrog, skipping a few generations of DSL technology and go directly to FTTH. We can scale down the customer service in terms of speed to whatever is needed in the mainstream market in the emerging countries. But this will be an ideal architecture to support not only our market demand today, but also easily scale up to gigaband performance when that is needed.
Good talking to you today, Daniel. Thank you for your time.